God.
Can you see me with me gigantic rig? Gigantic rig. Gigantic rig. Gigantic rig.
Can I see you? You and your big head.
And a big fucking napper. Right.
Hello, folks. How you doing? Look at this. It's handover time.
It's handover time. Yes.
Andrew, thank you, my friend.
Hey.
Thank you. He did offer. Okay.
I did offer.
And I am aware that everyone that watches our channel, all of 5 people.
Yeah, all 10 of you.
Have seen lots of videos of this. Now, I didn't ask him to do it. He offered.
I did. Well, he was bleating on about how he wanted to change his rig and stuff, and was gonna sell it or bin it or do something crazy. So
anyway, I've been watching the updates. This is the first time, genuinely, I've seen it properly in person, and I'm over the moon.
You've seen bits of it, haven't you? Bits of it. I've teased him with bits of it.
But seeing it, I've just been staring at it. It's amazing. And my concern was, I was happy with it generally before, but it looked a bit too toy-like, and I wanted it to look more realistic, and it does now, and it's just brilliant. I think the weathering is the thing that did it.
Yes.
I could have sprayed it like this, I think.
Make or break it.
Yeah, but the finer details, and that's where I get bored, and I can't do those fine. I can build a truck really well. I enjoy building a truck, and I can do that competently. But and I can paint competently. It's just the details.
Yeah.
I will have one bone to pick with you, though. Watching these videos, I've had to bite my tongue. The kind of slating that he's given me. The Dremeled wheels. I like the Dremeled wheels.
The wonky light bar.
I did it on purpose. The light bar was very difficult to put on. But this is my first build and my first model.
It is. And it is. It doesn't in any way excuse taking a Dremel to it, though.
I liked it. I liked it. Yeah. I liked it. I liked it. It was good. And yes, the glue was a bit harsh, but it was after it rolled, and I couldn't keep the windows in.
No, well, that's fine. It's all, nothing has been nothing is undoable.
And I sound really ungrateful, but I'm not ungrateful. I'm really happy.
It's been good. It's great fun for me to watch the truck change, and it does look a different truck now. So it's almost like getting a new truck. Which is great for both of us.
I don't think, folks, this is ever going to be my truck ever again. I'm not going to be.
I am feeling quite paternal about it.
You're going to cry. We're going to be out, and he is going to be on.
I'll be watching your truck more than mine. I'll probably I'll roll this one because I'll not be watching.
Yeah, this is no longer my truck anymore. And this has just come out of the shed, isn't it? It's feeling a little bit neglected.
Less of the finger work.
He's feeling a bit neglected.
She's feeling a bit neglected. She's been out in the shed with cobwebs.
And she looks a bit dull compared
spiders. Yeah, she looks purposeful.
I'm trying to get him to repaint this because, quite frankly, the grey looks a bit, a bit more.
A bit kind of, purposeful.
They give you a good project.
Yeah, we don't need another post office truck.
It's not
one mail truck's enough in the
fleet. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to run it and get it on video. I've got lots of plans.
It's going to be pretty awesome.
Winches are going on it. I'm just planning that, so I've got some winches at home, and they're going to be going on it, so that's going to be wicked, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, I think that's kind of our next project is winching, and trying to get winches strong enough. I'm trying to look into servo winching.
I've also been warned of how I need to mount my winch. I can't mount it how I want to.
No, I've had a little chat with him. But you don't mount winches on top of boxes, do you? In reality, no. I don't think you do. So if he keeps insisting on mounting a winch on top of a box, I'm going to have dramatic action.
I'm going to do it just to.
You're going to do it just to wind me up, aren't you?
Yeah, it's brilliant. It's so easy. It's just brilliant. Yeah. So come on, what are you going to do with Fatty?
What am I going to do with the King of the Hill?
Fatty.
I am Fatty here. Right. Well, yes, I'm going to tart Fatty up because she has been neglected, and she is. This isn't Fatty. Fatty's upstairs, man. Don't use her name in vain. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to change the bumper because I've learned a few things having researched the web for this one. So the wheel arches by and large should be black. Do you want to spin yours around? You'll see this on the proper reveal video I've already done. It's already on the channel, but you can probably see here that we've got black. The front wheel arches are black, which is more common, especially when it's not in military colours. So I might do that with mine as well. Shall we? Well, let's resume in a minute. Someone's at the door. We'll resume later.
Okay. Right. Answer the door. Where were we?
Sorry. Yeah, so I'm going to put the black wheel arches on because that seems to be quite a big thing and it might just help lift.
You mean copy mine?
Copy yours. I'm going to do the bumper black, but I'm also going to put some chevrons on it. And I'm going to do these bumper roll, these corner bumpers black as well because they, again, seem to be fairly common.
When you start, you will not be able to stop.
Oh, what, this? You don't think I'm going to be able to stop myself dismantling this?
No.
I am going to be able to stop very quickly.
No, you're not. Because when we go out for our first run, okay, and we do this in 4K, and it looks amazing, and on camera, I'm good.
And I'll be very pleased and proud because it's because I did it.
On camera, things look different than they do in person.
They do.
On camera, this is going to
especially if I edit it.
It's going to look amazing. Nothing wrong with my editing.
There'll just be an out of focus glimpse of a red post office truck going past.
Okay.
And it'll be like, there's Terry's truck.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's really that's the kind of thing I'm just going to do to this. I'm also looking at exhaust stacks. I'd like some exhaust stacks out the top of this, but I'm realizing, having ordered some HC6 ones.
So when you roll it, because you're looking at mine instead of yours, they're going to snap off.
They're like a roll bar. They'll be like a roll bar. I might just have to make some out of some aluminium tubing because there's bugger all room down the back between the cab and the bed. So
I still think you should have them coming out the side here to stick it up.
Yeah, so that's the other option, is to drill them out and have just a couple of.
You can't have exhaust stacks.
But it looked like an organ. It looked like a church organ.
A Mack truck, a proper beastly truck having the pipe sticking out the top. It looked amazing. It looked brilliant.
So I'm going to have a little think about it. Now I've got it out the shed and I can have a look at it. I've got to suss out where I'm going to put a winch on this, and I'm going to suss out where to put the exhausts.
It's going to be awesome.
It is going to. I can't put mine on the side like we were looking at because I've got an extra axle there because I've got the right number of axles. 4.
I don't care how many axles you've got. It just looks dull now.
See, I could put an exhaust where your axle should be because you've got a great big hole in there. But obviously I've got another drive axle there, so I can't put
mine doesn't need exhaust because it doesn't look dull. It doesn't look like it's just, come out of some abandoned army camp somewhere. Mine looks like it's loved, cared for.
It's come out of a post office depot.
Yeah, it's
done everything but put Royal Mail stickers on. So I'm going to put these are going to be black, and the bumper's going to be black, and it's going to have some chevrons on it to brighten things up a little bit. Just try and sort of vaguely compete with the
I always knew you were a faffer, but it wasn't until we've had many discussions about this. He said, "Oh yeah, I'll paint it quickly. It's fine." I said, "Well, don't go to town with it, right?" You wouldn't believe the effort he's gone to. He cannot, and the conversations we've had, he cannot leave things alone.
No.
It's you cannot help yourself.
But that's how it ends up like that. I think that's how it ends up.
It does look very good, which is why I can't do this.
If I'd have left the windscreen surrounds all wobbly and manky like they were when I first tried to do them, it wouldn't look as good. It would be, and every time we look at it head on the video, I'll certainly be looking at that going. The last thing I want is you looking at it and going, yeah, it's all right, but that's not very good.
Yeah, but I
don't want you looking at it going.
But can I just make a correction here, right?
What?
With the sanding, he mentioned about my sanding.
I told you I didn't tell you enough. I said
exactly.
At
no point did you turn around. I said to him, "What do you want it sanded with?" I'll do exactly what you say. I'll just sand it with any old paper. It's fine.
Yes, I was not specific enough in my instructions.
So
I paid the price.
Yeah, exactly.
And I paid the price for that. So,
exactly.
It's all worked out, man. It's fine. It's all worked out beautifully.
We need to do an MT run soon because they've been a bit neglected, and it's going to be wet, muddy, and everything else. So we're going to.
And I've got to sort out her temperamental electrical issues as well.
Yeah, she's properly neglected, and she sits there shaking like a
gonna
wet old dog.
Yeah.
She's a bit upset. So I did offer, folks, because he's good with electrics and fire. You're not good with electrics.
I'm good with electrics if destroying them is the aim.
I did offer, because I can do electrics quite well, to sort it out and take it away from him. Or
it might be a team effort.
Yeah, come up to my house and we'll sort it out.
We're going to put a back in it, basically, because the servo, I think, is browning out the ESC. It's sucking all the power out of it and the whole thing.
That's because you...
flaking out.
Because you're intent on not listening to me and you keep going for... What is it? Sidewinder ESC you've got?
It's a Castle Sidewinder 4 industry standard.
Fine, but it only puts out 5 volts.
Yeah.
Which you've got a servo that requires
That's
6.
because professional RCers run a Beck to protect their servo and
But
deliver.
you haven't.
No,
That's
instead of
why
just using some cheap.
Just use a 1080, man. What's wrong with you?
Well, it doesn't do the drag brake thing like I like. Because I've got a full. This is a proper full heavy rig. It's not some lightweight 3/4 version like yours is. It's no. We've been through this before, and you're going to lose.
I don't think so.
Anyway, we're going to put a Beck in this, so it's going to sort out electrical. It's going to sound and run like a dream. Well, it's not going to sound like a dream because it's got revolver motor.
When it catches
fire,
fire, you're going to have to respray it, then, aren't you?
Well, then, yeah, that'll be the perfect time. Have some smoke damage on it. Yeah. So that's always an ever-present risk.
But to close,
electrical fire with my rig.
Shut up, going on. To close, folks, I am very grateful, and this is how I imagined my MC6 to look when I was building it, how I wanted it to look, and it's brilliant. And it being like this means that I will take more care of it.
And to recap as well on some of the build videos, if you can't be asked to go back and watch them, it's all done with Halford's paints. These are Halford's enamel, probably car paints, but it doesn't matter. They're just enamel spray cans that both of these rigs, every drop of paint you can see on these rigs is...
What, apart from the paint underneath on this? It's not, is it? It's silver.
But I was just trying to tell everybody what they're looking at. I'm not interested in our wars and dramas and my failure to let paint dry properly before recoating it. Basically, every paint you look at on here, the red, the black, the green, is Halford's enamel.
And that was Simon, actually, from greenmodels.co.uk. Simon, who supplied us with everything and all the advice. He said that to me on the phone, and I passed that on to you when I initially placed the order for this. Because I ordered mine first, I think, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I spoke to him and said, in a panic, what paint? And he said, just use Halford's, it's great. He didn't say, in actual fact, he said...
primer, wasn't it?
Well, the primer, but he also said use Halford's acrylic, but these are enamels. And I used the acrylic Halford's, and that was fine. It looked really good. It was the weathering that did it. But, I am over the moon, and I can't wait to run her.
No, I can't. She's going to look really cool.
I am going to make up a camera mount to sit in here with the doors open so we can sit the GoPro and get a view inside the cab. It's gonna look
great thing with these rigs is they give so much. It's like they're a lot of money, but we could put our 10.2 down or put our TRX4 down, and aside from changing the body and putting different wheels on it, it's kind of it. But with these things, you just can't. Oh, well, there is room to, I should say. You can obviously stop if you want to, but there is room to continually faff, which I love. Continually change things, put things on, take the loads off, change the beds around, put different things on, hang stuff off them, different bits in the cab and little lights, and there's all manner of things that you continually change.
They also drive amazingly.
And we don't
best scale driving thing.
I mean the weight of them. I will one day get some bathroom scales so we can find out just how heavy these things are.
Fatty.
She's not fat, man. She's just big boned. Anyway, look, we've got an unboxing coming up now.
Yes, we have got an unboxing coming up,
which we're very excited about. Yeah, and I hope you will be too. So
make sure you stay tuned and watch it.
We're going to jump cut, get rid of these things, and come back with the unboxing. All right?
Oh yes.
1 sec.
We're back, and I'm shaking with excitement.
We have a long-awaited unboxing.
I have been trying to persuade this man to go joint with me in a project, in a kit, and it's 2 years I've been trying to get you to do that.
And he's finally managed. Today, I crumbled.
Finally, and it's arrived, and we're
very excited. So we're genuinely still taped up. We're genuinely hoping you're gonna, be as excited as us.
Postman arrived today. Let's get this damn thing open.
Well, he's not just. That was him at the door, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was late delivery. Come on, man.
Come on, man. Get into it.
Get into it. So exciting.
So much stuff.
Awesome.
What have we got in here? Oh.
Hey, bubble wrap.
Just a bunch of bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap.
All right, should we cut to a close up?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we'll cut to a close up. Let's get the close up. You need to be able to see this, guys. Right, folks.
What's in my big box?
What's in the big box, folks? Let's have a look. Oh, well, look at this. This is the kind of kit I'm talking about. Come on, and Terry. Let's get the unboxing done properly. What have we got here? We've got.
I don't know what that is.
That'll be one of the naan breads.
Yeah, that's a Peshwari.
That's a Peshwari naan, and this is the garlic and chili naan. That's mine.
Chicken tikka masala.
Tikka masala. Look.
Oh yes.
Look.
Oh yeah.
Chicken jalfrezi. Is this got portals? Is this the one with portal axles on
Possibly,
or not?
yeah,
Possibly.
It's the one that catch fire, so it'll be yours.
Yeah. We've got a mushroom rice.
Oh, that's hot.
And we've got a sagaloo. Look at this. This is. We're gonna have to get some proper RCing in now.
Wednesday curry night.
Wednesday curry night. We're going to
night.
assemble the drivers, the forks, knives, and plates.
Yeah, indeed. And what's going to happen after we've eaten it? What's it called?
I know what you're going to bloody do.
Johnny Cash, Ring of Fire?
burning ring of fire. I was thinking more like a punched zeppelin, but dirty pig.
Well, listen, I am hungry, so can you all go away because I want to eat?
Yes.
This
So
belly needs filling.
we're gonna get stuck into this dinner kit.
Dinner kit.
And thank you for watching, gang. And we will
Catch you soon.
Catch you soon. Yeah, we're gonna have a run video very shortly. We've not been doing many, but I have been editing. So yeah, there's going to be a run video very soon.
It's coming.
But not tonight.
Right, shut up your noise and let's get the plate.
Right, done. See you guys.
See ya.